स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि।
भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्।
My name is Ishri Gupta. I have class 2nd A. My branch is TK branch. My song is Welcome Song.
We gather here to tell you on this very special day we're all so very happy to wish and to you say. We gather here to tell you on this very special day we're all so very happy to wish and to you say. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy from one day. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you.
My name is Rishmi Singh Chauhan. I study in class 2nd A and I am here to present extempore topic, and my extempore topic name is online classes. In online class we come in contact of each other even in lockdown. Because of online classes we can focus on our studies. Due to COVID-19 we were unable to meet, but because of online classes I have met all my classmates and my teacher. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning. My name is Gargi Singh. I study in class 2nd C. Today I am going to present the topic, and my topic is Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi was born on 19 November 1917 on Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh, India. She was the child of Jawaharlal Nehru. Her full name was Indira Priyadarshini Gandhi. She was first woman Prime Minister of India. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Pure hand sanitizer. It kills 99.9% of germs because it protects us from germs and viruses. So I recommended Himalaya Pure Hand Sanitizer with great fragrance.
My loving students, the greatest gift we can give to others is our prayers. Yes, students, it's only prayers with all family members we can do for others and for us also. Students, you have shown your best, not only in academics but in all directions, whether it's online competition or making videos, sending messages, etc., with the support of your parents even during this unprecedented time. Now it's time to utilize your brain in extra activities. A person who walks with his legs reaches his destination, but a person who walks with his brain reaches his destiny. You know, in our new education policy, they have introduced a new systematic and effective online learning module. It is coding. Yes, a new language in computer. So try to learn it. And your school teachers have sent you a message related to this coding language. So likewise, you can pass your time with so much fun by doing gardening, making cakes, etc. and by learning what you actually want to be in future. My message to you all on the platform of activity-based learning through this razzmatazz. That everything is easy when you are busy, but nothing is easy when you are lazy. So be active. God bless you all with this hope that we meet in school campus very soon with full of energy and enthusiasm. Till that, stay healthy and happy. Thank you.
Morning everyone, my name is Soha Parveen. I study in class 2nd C and my topic is mother song. Then your mom for all your health, all your health, all your health. Then your mom for all your health, they feel good to me. Then your mom for all your kisses, all your kisses, all your kisses. Then your mom for all your kisses, they feel good to me. Thank you.
My name is Aradhya Sonwani. I study in class 2nd C. My school name is Awad College. Someone can tell me what is topic of mine? Yes, this is a plastic. Do you know, friends? Plastic is very harmful for the environment. See, everywhere in the park, ground, in the roads and houses also. It is made by harmful chemicals. Do you know plastic cannot be decomposed? It is not good for health because when we burn it, it gives us toxic forms. Thank you.
My name is Aradhya Singh. I study in class 2nd A. Now I am going to recite a poem and my poem name is Summer. What a time the summer brings, heat and sweet and ice brings. Some fruit sour and some so sweet, things made up to meet the heat. Thank you. My name is Hadrat Arya. I study in class 2nd C. My school name is Awad College, Tulubokhela branch. My topic is poem तारे. आज जब सूरज ढल जाता है, अंधियारा छा जाता है, आसमान में जगमग जगमग दीवे कौन जलाता है? रात बीतने पर सपनों की जो सूरज चमकाता है, जो सोने चांदी की किरणें धरती पर फैलाता है, वहाँ जब सूरज ढल जाता है, अंधियारा छा जाता है, आसमान में जगमग जगमग लाखों दीप जलाता है. Thank you. Mommy, I arrived from the school. Yay! Today my teacher gave me 2 chocolates.
Oh wow, chocolate! Please give me one chocolate.
Never. I will eat both chocolate by myself.
Hey, come. Now it's time to eat food.
Mommy, what is in today's food?
Today you are going to have vegetable salad.
No, I will only eat cake. I will not eat vegetable salad. This, and this. These are all bad habits. We should not perform these in our daily life. Thank you. Mama, I came home from school. Didi,
Yes, Sarthak?
see this. My teacher gave me this biscuit because I won the quiz competition.
Very good. Congratulations.
Let's share it.
What's your favorite dish, Sarthak?
Yay! Lady finger! It's my favorite dish! Thank you, Mama! Love you! This, and this. These are the good habits which we have to follow in our daily life. Thank you!
Morning, children. After watching your wonderful performance, I feel proud and I convey my heartfelt thanks to omnipresent God, who is the only savior of mankind. As education is never-ending process, and in this never-ending process, technology has become a very important tool. So you have to welcome it and be more confident. Dear children, as we are celebrating 152nd birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi and conducting many activities on this occasion, as well as we are promoting this week as a Swadeshi Apnao. So you have to not forget to spread the awareness in your society regarding cleanliness as well as Swadeshi Apnao. If we talk about new education policy, it is entirely skill based. So our collegiate management has taken 16 extra skill subjects affiliation as well as affiliation of humanities stream also. So we can say the school has made all necessary precautions as well as opened many doors to welcome you all. Thank you students, thanks to your parents as well as your teachers for extending the willing cooperation. Thank you.
कहना है एक बड़ा सा थैंक यू है सब कुछ टू वर्ड्स में रोज दिखाते जाए कुछ नया या दुनिया हाथों पे रख दे Thanks a lot, lots and lots, many ways just to say thanks a lot. सुबह हो या शाम चाहे जो भी हो काम होगा पहले बस तुम्हारा नाम Thanks a lot, lots and lots, many ways just to say thanks a lot.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे